The ending to my last M3 film was pretty somber, not gonna lie. And that's because in that film, we said farewell to my hero car. Still, there was hope. And that's mainly because the tease at the end hinted that the M Chief would return. And that compromise is never an option. Today, I'm proud to unveil to you the new M Chief. Please join me in welcoming this 2018 limited edition BMW M3 CS. Now, I don't want to spoil anything because I have quite a few films in the works that I'll be publishing first before I release the official review. But what I will say is that this M3 CS is only one of 1,200 examples in the world. So stay tuned, because for the next few months I'll be shooting footage and jotting down my thoughts and impressions on this blue Bavarian beast for this comprehensive review that I'll be putting together and publishing later. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my content. And of course, as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. If you haven't already, be sure to check out my other in-depth F80 M3 films. Also, follow me on my other social media channels for additional content. And until next time, stay awesome, stay tuned, and I'll catch you soon.